Hey, so today I'm going to be showing you how I did the wrap in this picture that so many people have been asking me about. And it's really easy. It's super simple. So I'm just gonna go through that today. Sorry if the lighting is changing. I'm using natural light and the sun is like. So you're gonna take your scarf and you're gonna fold it over like this. So it's just gonna be folded just a little bit. I forgot I was laying my edges. Take this off. Okay. So you can go ahead and lay your edges before you start. Extra. So now that that's done and you have your scarf folded over like this, you're gonna place it on the back of your head. So it's gonna look like this. Smooth, easy, simple. I'm gonna wrap it together. Just one motion. And then you're gonna start twirling your sides. All the way. Twirl all the way down. And then you can start with whichever one you want to. So I'm gonna start here. And you pull. And you pull it. And then you tuck it behind right there. So it's tucked in and it's secure. And then you can take the rest of this one, since mine unraveled a little bit, and you're gonna go the opposite way so that you can have layers. And then if you do have a tag, you can cover it, but I wanted to leave mine out so you can know exactly where I got my wrap from. Covered by Miriam. So now that you've seen it, I can go ahead and tuck it in. Now sometimes if your ponytail is leaning, you'll want to straighten your bun part so that the whole thing is straight. And then sometimes I go in and straighten this part out so it's like a right there in the middle of my head. And then that is it. I told you guys this is super simple. So after, of course, you do your wrap, then you can put on your accessories. And I feel like you can never go wrong with a hoop. Like, I truly believe maybe 95% of my pictures I have a hoop on. And then you can put on your necklace. And then you're ready to go. Sometimes I scoot this back just so a little more of my baby hair can show. But then that's it. That is the whole look. Now, if you don't have enough hair to make like a big bun, or if you don't have braids or just something to make the big bun, you can do a regular turban look with another scarf. So you can just pull it like I did before and then wrap it until it keeps wrapping along itself, and then put it in the middle and then do this wrap that I just did over that wrap. And once again, I love these wraps because they're super stretchy, they're really long, so they allow you to do all kinds of tricks and pull it all different ways. Like, you can do so much with these wraps. I absolutely love them and their quality. I've washed them before and they almost come out like softer in a way, and the stretch is still there. Like, I love these wraps. But that's enough about wrapping, but that's all for me. So if you have any other questions, let me know, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.